BlackBerry exchanges on a cycle. Facebook updates from a campaign rath, monitoring ad jingles on the party's webpage in a chopper. Samajwad has run into Akhilesh Yadav. In the wrestler turned politician father's shadow, a son has risen. And the party of the subaltern is changing. It had to. From Mulayam Singh Yadav's drawing rooms in Lucknow or hometown Etawah, Samajwadi Party's strategy planning has shifted to a war room. Route maps on a laptop, Excel sheets for rally and public meeting schedules, feedback from workers, inputs for rallies. Moments from the campaign on an iPad, Facebook page for the party is the new world facelift. 21 megapixel cameras clicking Kodak moments constantly. Facebook updates of pictures, locations and speeches uploaded within minutes of an event regularly. From battling computers, the Samajwadi Party is at Twitter with technology. Like a gentle tap on the iPad's touchscreen, the Samajwadi Party has uploaded a generational change. Change that is visible in many ways. On the day we were to go on the campaign trail with Akhilesh Yadav, Samajwadi Party's founder, star campaigner for almost 3 decades, one-man army Mulayam Singh met leaders, supporters and then took off for Delhi for a quick trip. For in this election campaign, Mulayam is the big picture man, holding big rallies, setting the tone on national issues. Akhilesh is micromanaging, hitting the dirt trail. By the time Netaji Mulayam Singh Yadav was off for his campaigning with big rallies, you had already covered 130 constituencies.
That's true. Now by now, क्या ये कोशिश ये है कि I go into more villages, into smaller town areas, nagar palikas, yeah, getting into the mass and going inside the constituency. Whereas Netaji, we have decided as a party whole, we have decided let Netaji do the big rallies. So I'm into Rath and going into villages, constituencies, covering all constituencies, each and every constituency. And Netaji, whereas he's doing a big rally at district level. Old style mass contact is not totally out, but the outreach method involves helicopters, a tailor-made rath, and even a ride on an Uber Cool bike. At times, a bike waits at the helipad as the chopper lands, or a day-long yatra is followed by a night in the rath.
So in how many districts have you done this cycle yatra?
During this election, I've done just 3-4 times. Totally I've covered 250 kilometers on cycle. That means around 10 constituency I've gone by cycle.
His campaign is more accurate. He knows where he has to speak about the lack of bijli, where about sadak and where about pani. Which community dominates the votes in which region, which influence group he needs to invite to his rath. The secret lies in the planning. Is it working
Yeah.
that you think that your workers do respond?
Yeah, they do that. They message me. I tell them about the program. I call them or my office call them. Or sometimes we send the messages from office to the workers. So it is there. We are
A lot of them on Blackberries and other machines?
Yeah, I've seen a lot of workers. They have bought BlackBerry. They are guys. I mean, they're workers who know how to operate, and work on BlackBerry. They know.
Since his father founded the party 2 decades ago, Samajwadi Party was considered influential in Mufassil towns and UP's vast hinterland, supported by backwards and Muslims. Its campaign direct, lacking urban sophistication. But this time the campaign is targeting unexplored territories and has Akhilesh's stamp on it. It's subtle, it's slick and has an urban flavor too.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.